Hey there, color enthusiasts! Are you ready to brighten up your day with a splash of vocabulary fun? In this video, we'll explore some of the most vibrant and exciting colors in the English language. From the boldness of red to the magic of purple, we've got it all. And guess what? You can test your color knowledge by clicking the link in the description to take a fun quiz at the end. Let's dive into this rainbow of learning.
Red. Red is an adjective that bursts with energy, just like the color of ripe strawberries or shiny fire trucks. It's the color of excitement and love. Imagine a birthday party and someone hands you a balloon saying, "The ball is red." It's like the ball itself is ready for a celebration. Blue. Blue, an adjective, is the color of the endless sky and the deep sea. It's calm and cool, like a relaxing beach day. Picture a breezy afternoon where someone says, "Her dress is blue." Can't you just see it fluttering in the wind? As peaceful as the ocean waves. Green. Green is an adjective that brings nature to life. It's the color of fresh grass, leafy trees, and crunchy apples. Imagine a beautiful park where someone says, "The leaves are green." It's like the whole world is taking a deep, fresh breath of air. Yellow. Yellow, an adjective, is the color of sunshine and happiness. It's bright and cheerful, like the first rays of morning light. Imagine waking up to a sunny day and hearing, "The sun is yellow." It feels like the world just gave you a big, warm smile. Black. Black, an adjective, is sleek, mysterious, and timeless. It's the color of the night sky and classic outfits. Picture a shiny car cruising down the street and someone says, "He has a black car." Doesn't it feel like that car has a story to tell? White. White is an adjective that's crisp and clean, like the color of snow or fluffy clouds. It's pure and peaceful, like a fresh start. Imagine stepping into a bright room and hearing, "The walls are white." It feels so open, like anything is possible. Brown. Brown, an adjective, is warm and earthy, like chocolate, coffee, and tree trunks. It's cozy and comforting, like a soft blanket. Imagine sitting at a sturdy table and someone says, "The table is brown." It feels like a space for family and stories. Orange. Orange is an adjective that's full of zest and energy. It's the color of juicy oranges, cozy sunsets, and crunchy leaves in fall. Imagine sipping on something delicious while hearing, "I like orange juice." It's like a splash of sunshine in a glass. Pink, an adjective, is playful and sweet, like cotton candy or blooming roses. It's soft yet bold, perfect for adding a little charm. Imagine walking through a garden and hearing, "She has pink flowers." It's like the flowers are throwing a cheerful hello. Purple. Purple, an adjective, is rich and magical, like the color of amethyst gems and twilight skies. It's a mix of bold red and cool blue, perfectly unique. Imagine someone admiring a vine of grapes saying, "The grapes are purple." It's like the universe wrapped a little mystery into each one.
Wow, you've made it through all the colors of the rainbow. Now it's time to show off what you've learned. Think you can remember which color is cozy, which one's bold, and which one's peaceful? Click the link in the description to take the quiz and find out. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who loves colors, and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you next time. Stay colorful.